Hello, today we will guide you through how to grid video in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app and create or access your project workspace. Once you're in, the first thing you'll want to do is bring your sample videos into the project and drag them onto the timeline. This gives you all the clips you need in one place so you can begin arranging them into a grid layout. After your videos are on the timeline, click on one of the video clips to select it. When the clip is selected, look toward the top of the editing panel and find the basic settings. This section contains some of the core controls for how your video layer behaves, and it's where you'll make an important adjustment for the grid effect. Inside the basic section, look for the blend option and click the drop-down menu. From there, find the mode setting and choose overlay. This changes how that video layer interacts visually with the other layers in your project. It's a useful setting when you're stacking clips and trying to build a multi-video layout on the same screen. Once you've applied overlay mode to one sample video, repeat that same change on another sample video as needed. The goal here is to make sure each clip is set up properly so the layers can work together as part of the final grid. If a clip doesn't appear the way you expect right away, that's okay. You'll fine-tune the arrangement in the next part. Now begin positioning all of your videos so that each one sits in its own area on the screen. Think of each clip as one tile in the overall grid. Move the layers around carefully so they occupy different sections rather than covering each other completely. This part may take a little adjusting, especially if you're working with several clips at once. Next, apply the same overlay setting to the other videos in your project. Keeping the settings consistent across your clips will make it much easier to build a clean and balanced grid. Finally, select each sample video one at a time and drag to resize it. Continue resizing and adjusting all of the videos until they fit neatly on the screen together. The idea is to make every clip visible while keeping the layout organized and visually even. Take your time here because small adjustments in size and placement can make a big difference in how polished the final result looks. Once everything fits properly, you'll have a simple video grid created in CapCut.